Then let's move on to the next one. Next one is NGO Donors Group. NGO donors.
Sir, you have to search all. You have actually given in people. That is the problem.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. Right, correct. You're right. Absolutely right. That's why. I was wondering why. I mean, I've been doing this day in and day out. What is where am I going wrong? Now we see. Now we see. All when I
Yes,
put
sir.
everything came. Join came.
Yes.
Right. So many World NGO helpline, 10K members, NGOs in social development, 48,000 people are there, and then NGOs 10,000 people are there. So these are the best groups which are available. You have taken the screenshot and please go and join today. Okay, it is the same thing that what Arup ji did. I also showed him the same thing the other day. Arup ji went and not only joined, then the next tip that I gave him was that go and talk about your activity that you're doing in the form of a video and show some stories which you have done. Put it across there. And you see the magic will happen. And the magic happened to him for him. So now I will bring Arup, okay, on the center screen here. Arup ji, please come and tell these people what you did after you heard this.
Uh,
Just tell them what all you did.
yeah, in the very first day, uh, Sridhar started by showing me his bank balance. He showed it to all of us. And I saw 3.35 crores. Okay. That gave me a slap because after 46 years in corporate, I didn't have that as a bank balance. And he's got that bank balance by doing NGO work, right? And the money is not his, it's donations. The second thing he told was that don't worry about donations, worry about your execution. I used to spend till 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, and Satarupa is a witness because she used to be awake also. And I used to get very worried about funds. I was never worried about execution because I was a feet on street. I work that way. When he showed me these groups, I just got my entire team who are literate. That is my this thing co-founder Jumki, her daughter, and 3 other first-year students, and we spent the whole night just putting our websites into each of them. There were some 400 groups that we went to. The third day, 68,000 just came in from unknown because it's very difficult to find out who pays because the bank does not give us the details. Later on, we did decipher. There were 4 of them, but the rest are just unknowns. So this is what changed me. This is what changed me. And for all my friends today, you will see that I have tied up with Manoj Bajpai. And while I was talking to y'all, you must have seen Jhumki distracting me because she was getting orders from Bihar for mosquito nets. Now, I call Sridhar Guru because he's the one that pointed out where I was going wrong. I was doing all the wrong things and putting 100% energy into it. And right now, while I'm talking to y'all, Jumki, my co-founder, is disturbing me and saying mosquito nets have to now go because there is an Instagram message that Manoj Bajpai has put about myself and my NGO. So calling someone guru is needed because someone guides you. So Sridhar is the one that has been guiding me, and I am not grateful to him. 1,200 families of the village I've adopted is grateful to him. I'm not. The gratefulness comes from those 1,200 people who are getting paid to make mosquito nets. and I'm actually crying. So I'm not grateful to Sridhar. My villages are grateful to him.
Oh
And
my-
it happened in 3 days. Today's the third month. And I'm going to be here for many more months and even next year. And if he doesn't start the program next year, I'm going to Bangalore. I have a house in Bangalore and I'm going to sit outside his door and beg, because you need a mentor. Every one of us needs a mentor. And I can say that with a big heart.
Yeah, I'll
So
tell you
thank
why
you.
he's emotional. See why? I'll tell you why is he emotional, because last year he struggled. Last year the same Durga Puja, I think he had to pledge and all that. You know, he had to take some jewelries here and there and all that and do all that kind of things because he never had money. He didn't have money. This Durga Puja, he's having 3 lakhs bank balance after clearing all the expenditures. I'm sure his bank balance today would have gone up. His bank balance would have gone up today because money comes in. How it came? This small things. These are the things that you need to do. Now, for example, Avinash Lingam, I told you that if at all you had taken that 7 lakh people's name and email address, and if they were your email list, okay, those are your potential donors. And the mistake that you are doing now, I am pointing out to you. Now, this is exactly what I did for Arup also. I am pointing out this mistake for you, which you have done so far. Now, please do correct it. You call your website person and you tell him, I want to capture all the people who are coming to my website and I need their address. And I want you to do 2 things. Tell that website fellow person, I want a pixel to be implanted in this. I don't know what is this pixel, but Sridhar told me, right? Sridhar told me that I want to put that pixel in the website. He told me that. I don't know what is that. Okay, but you do it. That is one. Secondly, you tell him, right, that whoever comes to me, I want every person's name, email ID, and phone number. These 3 things I want because I'm giving something free. And do not have any kind of restrictions for people to log in and register and all those. Don't log in and all that. Just put a simple form. They will put their name, email ID, and number. These 3 things, if it is there, then you see the next year things will change for you. Like what Arup is now coming and talking, you will come and start talking about this, about your success story to other people. That's a small mistake that you're doing. Okay, so please do that. Yeah, go ahead, Arup. That's why he was trying. He was a little emotional because now he is flushed with funds, so he is very happy about it. His happiness is coming. This is not a a struggle, painful tears. It is a happiness tears for him that is coming out. So it is quite natural. So please encourage him because he got benefited out of that. That's why he keeps on telling me Guru, 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 Guru. And in all, see, without my telling him, he has gone and put it in Facebook on his own. Right? I never told him. I never said, Arup, you go and promote me or something. But he is promoting me. And why is he doing that? Because he is also in sync with my thought process, saying that there are 10,000 NGOs. If we want to make them self-sustainable, if I can play a small role for to support Sridhar, I will do it. That is what he is doing now. Why is he volunteering and coming and telling everybody? I am not his macha, I am not his friend or something. I was not 2 months ago, we were strangers. We never knew each other. But today we are talking like this. Why? Because it is possible. You have to do some basic things that if you correct it, then everything else will fall in its place. Avinashi, tomorrow you have to get this done.
On Monday I will do.
Yeah,
tomorrow our people are closed.
Oh,
our website company is closed tomorrow, so I'll do on Monday. I got a doubt about the joining of this group in a Facebook. Should I join in my individual name or in the company, the organization's name?
No, you see, you have a Facebook page.
I have a Facebook page.
So in the page, it has to be in your foundation's name.
Okay, yeah, it is there.
And then from the foundation's name, you should go and join the group.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thanks.
not in your personal name. Because the
Okay.
group will think that you are an individual.
Okay.
But if you go and represent the foundation there, they know that
Right.
you are doing some good job. They will come to your Facebook, they will see what activities that you are doing. You have to post
Okay.
all your activities there in that
Okay.
and join all these groups.
Okay.
Okay, he said 400 groups he has joined.
Okay.
So similarly, you should also join 400 groups.
Hello.
Okay.
Some group or the other, somebody will come and then recognize. In fact, I am really getting motivated the kind of work that you are doing with that Bhagavad Gita and all those things which is downloading. I'm a very spiritual man. I am spiritually grounded man. I like all these things. I love all these things. Okay. I want to definitely help you and I will pay personal attention to your website to see that you start getting good amount of donation. Okay, Ji. So by Monday, please get it changed. It is just, for a developer, website developer, you know how long it will take? It will probably take him 15 minutes time. That's all. Only 15 minutes time. So you tell him, Sridhar told me two things. One, pixel. I don't know what is that, but you put that pixel in my website. Two, form. I want a form. I want to capture every single visitor who is coming to my website. When before downloading, he should fill this, and when he's downloading, when he is entering his name and then submitting it, the book will fall down in his system. That's how it should go. What is the approximate cost involved for what? For what, Satrupa?
Pixel.
Pixel, nothing. It is available free for you in Facebook. Already it is there. It is already there with you. If you don't have an account, see, there is something called Business Manager. You tell your website guy that I want to create an ad account. Okay? I want to now tomorrow when you want to promote your NGO activity, so you have to put a Facebook advertisement. Okay, which will be part of the workshop activity. Okay, I will do that one creativity. I will do myself and show you how to do that in front of all of you. Okay, and the similar kind of an advertisement you have to create and post it in different groups and also create an advertisement and send it across. Yes, Arup.
This is for everyone. In our phone, there is a business WhatsApp. The business WhatsApp is connected to the Facebook business.
Yes.
Now, all of us should now start using the WhatsApp business WhatsApp, which interconnects itself to Facebook.
Absolutely.
And that will interconnect itself to the business ad. For 300 rupees, 400 rupees, you get up to 5,000 reach. And all this is what Sridhar taught. I don't think lots of us took that hint. But one thing I want to tell you all, the moment this program finishes, don't leave your desk. Sit on your desk and finish your task. Otherwise, procrastination will come in and we will lose everything. That is what I do. In fact, Jhumki is sitting next to me. The moment Sridhar will shut us off, I will come on screen with her and my team, and we'll get everything done, and then we will do other work. This is just a humble request. I'm probably the oldest member with y'all. Don't let procrastination set in.
Yeah.
And this is exactly what Sridhar tells us to do. He gives us very, very small hints. The small hints are actually very big hints. It sounds small in English, but trust me, they are very, very big. Today, if I'm talking to Manoj Bajpayee, he is talking 1 CR with me. He wants to give me 1 CR, and I told him not now. I have 16 machines. I am going to live there. He said, "Tum to wahan reh rahe ho. Tum 1 crore leke shuru karo. Main de raha hu." Because he's a film star, he's asking Bachchans and all that. Another thing which I did, and I sang Happy Birthday to Mr. Bachchan. Manoj Bajpayee saw that. Mr. Bachchan didn't even see it.
And that's what Sridhar told us, that Mr. Bachchan is a lousy paymaster. He'll not give you anything, but 1,000 others will see you. And that is exactly what happened. Mr. Bachchan
Exactly.
doesn't have time for me, but Manoj Bajpayee saw it. And Sridhar had written certain things. I said, sir, give me till Friday. Friday, I'm signing the deal with Manoj. And he's now put it on Instagram. He is putting it on Instagram. And I'm a very, very small NGO. I'm a very small NGO. Last year, I only did 4 lakhs. Whole year, I did 4 lakhs. And this year, month on month, I'm doing about 7 lakhs. All because of this guru that I call him.
So
So I
please,
think all of us need to pay attention to what he tells us.
yeah. So please follow what I'm saying and you do this. When I told Arup, I've not only told Arup, everybody is now done happy birthday song for Hema Malini, for Prabhas. Then there is Anant Kumar has done for Prabhas. Arup has done for Amitabh Bachchan. Then Teresa has done for who?
Hema Malini.
Malini. I think
Himda.
Oza. Then our friend Hazra has done for Sunny Deol, and our Oja has done for Amit Shah. All these people's birthday falls this month. And we discussed last month about this, and every one of them prepared. And I told them, don't expect any money from any of these people. Not a single rupee will come from them. But 1,000 others, 10,000 others will see what your people are doing, because this your children, your people are going to sing a song of happy birthday to Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan might not even see, but 10,000 others of his followers will see, and from there you will start getting money, I said, and it is happening for him. Manoj Bajpayee has seen that, and he has put it in his Instagram. He has got millions of followers. And that millions of followers will now start supporting Arupji. Now he told me that by this March end, he is expecting his turnover to be 40 lakhs. I replied to him saying that it is going to be 1 crore for him. He will get 1 crore this year. By March end, he will get 1 crore. Because he is continuing to do whatever I am telling him, he is doing it. So whatever I am telling, if you do this, I can guarantee results for all of you. Within the next 2 days' time, you will start getting money. If you do it today. If you do it today, by the time you complete this workshop, in the next 2 days' time, you will see money coming in. From where it is coming, you don't know. You will get. Please follow that. That's all. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow is going to be much more interesting. I hope today's topic was good for you.